Are you ready to unlock the power of a bright, radiant smile? In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of professional teeth whitening, where science meets beauty. Stay tuned to discover the professional techniques and expertise that can enhance your smile like never before. Welcome to Oaks Dental Clinic, where we're about to embark on a remarkable teeth whitening transformation. Before starting any treatment, it's important to have a consultation with us at Oaks Dental Clinic. During this discussion, our patient shares her concerns about the discoloration of her teeth and her desire for a whiter smile. Dr. Bay listens attentively, ensuring our patient's goals and expectations are understood before creating a personalized treatment plan. Now, let's take a closer look at the teeth whitening procedure itself. The first step involves a thorough dental cleaning to remove any plaque or tartar buildup, ensuring the best possible results. Next, a protective barrier is applied to the gums, shielding them from the whitening gel. This attention to detail is crucial for a comfortable experience. Once the preparations are complete, it's time for the magic to happen. Our dentist applies a specially formulated whitening gel to our patient's teeth. This gel contains a powerful yet safe bleaching agent that targets the deep stains within the tooth enamel. The gel is activated using a specialized light source, which accelerates the whitening process. Over the course of the next 30 minutes, the whitening gel works its wonders, breaking down stains and revealing a brighter, more vibrant smile. With the treatment complete, it's time to evaluate the stunning results. Our dental professional removes the protective barrier and thoroughly rinses our patient's mouth. Our patient can't help but be amazed as she catches a glimpse of her new smile in the mirror.
Hello.
Hi.
So introduce yourself. What is your name?
I am Kayla Yokish.
And why did you come here today?
To get my teeth whitened.
Oh, and did you like it?
I loved it.
Great. And your teeth really look way whiter.
Thank you so much.
Thank you as well.
And there you have it. A glimpse into the world of professional teeth whitening. The power of a beautiful smile is undeniable, and with the help of skilled dental professionals, achieving a brighter, more confident you is within reach. If you're looking to transform your smile, consider professional teeth whitening as the answer. Remember, your smile is your greatest asset. Embrace it, share it, and let it light up the world.